apparently this feature is something that isn't being supported by Photoshop anymore. I believe you can access it properly on some older versions, but I'll show you what you can do on the current version. It isn't very much, but it should hopefully help. So to create a different lighting effect, to show light from a different source, all you want to do is go up to filter and go to render and then down to lighting effects. You'll then get a range of different options in your presets that you can play with here. So if we go for, let's say, a triple spotlight. Okay, so you can see it does kind of give a bit of a lighting effect, like a spotlight would. The issue comes from the fact that these don't have the handles to actually move the lighting effects about. So no matter where I click, I can't do it. That is because apparently this is not going to be supported anymore. You can still add things like, this like sunlight, the infinite light. You can add the point lights and you can add the spotlights. Unfortunately, you can't then move them to where you need them. So it is a bit difficult to personalize and change. You can obviously adjust the properties here for the intensity of the lights. Just like with the layers, you need to make sure you're selected on what you want to edit. So you can change all the colors around. You can turn some on and off. It could be worth a play, but I'm not too sure how useful this would be if you really want some serious customization of the lighting in your image.